Jack, and it's nice to meet you. So can you tell me a bit about your company? What is the name of this company?
Our name is Yongkang Xinxinle Technology. You can see this in our work.
And so what would be your main product that you produce?
Our main products include magnetic tails, magnetic blocks, and magnetic sticks.
Okay, and the age range for these products would be a very wide range, I assume.
Yes, it's from 0 to 12 years. Okay.
Wow, okay, so like you have a wide range of products there with this age range. And so tell me about your factory. So where do you produce these products?
Our factory is in Yongkang, near about Yiwu.
Okay, very interesting. And so what certificates do you have when you're exporting to these countries?
We mainly customers in Europe and America.
And you have the certificates for in these factories?
Yes, sure. We have CE, CBC, ENT, and so on.
Perfect. Okay. So your main markets are America or Europe?
Yes, Europe.
Okay.
Like Netherlands and other countries.
Wow. Okay. So very wide range. So tell me, what is the newest product that you're going to be introducing this year?
You can see this. This is our new travel set.
So it's like a small little travel set for mini blocks, mini magnetic tiles, and even the case is magnetic as well. The case is magnetic itself.
Yes.
And so it will, like, even if you're in the car with your kids, they can play even in the tin itself.
Sure, like this. You can see it
sticks right on there, so they can just play as they go. And it's very cool. So that like you have like the Christmas theme, they have these different sets, and it's perfect because it will like just you can go anywhere with them. It's a really small toy that you can bring around, and it's like easy to carry around with yourself. And so, could you tell me about what's your biggest seller? Would you say?
You can see this one.
I was very excited to show this.
Yes.
It's very in terms of like the trees and all the imagination that the kids can show and bring into life with these sets. And so you have different shapes. So you have triangles, and what else kind of things you have to design?
We have square, triangle, and so on. This is all we can produce.
And I find that they have these kind of tracks on them. Like it's very much it suits itself to these different toys that you can bring along these tracks. Is that right?
Yes, right.
Wow. Okay. So this is very much a thing you can interact with in different ways and build all what your imagination makes, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. It's very cool for these kind of children. I love this stuff as well.
I'm glad.
Yeah. Okay. So tell me, if I was very interested as a company to purchase these products, where can I contact you?
You can contact to my email or WeChat or WhatsApp. It's okay.
Thank you very much for talking to me. Thank you. Very cool contact.
Nice.